What is up, you guys? It's your Snare Diamonds here, and I'm about to get another video. This is the first time you see my face. I just want to make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out my previous videos, especially my vlog, you guys. I feel like I'm not getting enough support with my vlogs. Y'all can go check out my vlog that I recently posted. Check that out, because anytime I post any other video, the support is there, no issues. But I've been sharing it out as much as I can, and I feel like you guys see it in the community tab, because when I put anything else in the community tab, y'all see it too. So if y'all could go show support to that vlog, it would mean a lot. The views are there, the likes are kind of there. The comments, the engagement in the comments are not really there, and I feel like some people don't even watch. Like, I'm not saying you have to watch the vlog all the way all the time, because I know the vlog is long, but if you at least watch half of it or a good portion of it to understand what's going on, and then you comment about it, that lets me know that, okay, you watched my vlog, rather than you just randomly comment something mad fast. That makes me feel like you didn't even bother to watch it, and it's just like you're messing up my watch time early like that. But anywho, I am back with another flag inspired look. This time I'm doing the Germany flag inspired look. This was suggested by Delisa, so shout out to Delisa. Definitely go check out her channel. After this, I'm gonna be doing the Danish one that was suggested by Diana. So, and then after that, well, you guys can leave your, what flag looks y'all want me to do next. Check out this playlist first before y'all suggest anything. It's like, wait, what does that sound? That sound comes from outside. But yeah, check out your flag look. Check out that video, that playlist first, before you let me know which one y'all want. And yeah, all right. So I'm gonna. So put this. I need concealer, and I totally forgot. Oh my god. All right, I got my Juvia's Place concealer that I always use. It's been raining since yesterday, y'all, so it's been a gloomy day. My face has been breaking out like crazy, especially my chin. I can't really tell because I have makeup on it right now, but especially my chin. And literally that reminded me of when I had, like, when I was a kid in elementary school. I had this mosquito bite on my chin. It was like very big, and it was hurting my jaw. Like, it felt like it was pulling my jaw down to the point where I had to go to the emergency for that. And it was painful, yeah. They put the needle in there. They had to squeeze it out. And then even though they squeezed it out, I had to be home until it fully healed. And it sucked for me that time, because there's something called like a book fair that was going on in my school, and depending on the grade level that you were allowed to not only buy stuff from the book fair, but you can also sell stuff. And I remember I had some stuff I wanted to bring with me to sell, and I couldn't because I had to be home because of that mosquito bite. And I was so tight, you guys. So mad. Hang on. Yeah, I was so mad, because I loved the book fair as a kid, and I had to be home that time for it. But I'm just saying that's what it reminded me of, because literally my jaw was like feeling the same way from when I had that experience, and I'm just like, what is going on? Like, why am I breaking out so much on my face? 'Cause I don't put makeup on my face like that, like how I used to. I used to put makeup on my face very often, but I felt like I don't do that as much anymore. I just wanted to make sure I had the colors right with the Germany flag. So this palette right here, the It palette from Revolution, it literally have the colors, so I don't have to dip into any other palettes. So now I see one with like a bird in the middle. You already know, obviously I won't be able to do that one. So I'm just gonna use the colors itself and just see how it turns out. Well, yeah, I've used CeraVe on my face. I'm not saying like that's like the only skincare product I should be using. You know, usually I use like Freeman masks, but I have to rebuy them again because one thing with Freeman masks, I feel like I only need to buy like one or two, because every time I have a lot of them, I end up neglecting it and I just stop using it. So I think one or two should be fine for me when it comes to Freeman masks until I finish them, because I get different ones. You know, I don't get the same bottle of the, you know, the same product. I get the blue one, and then I like the cactus one. What other one I used? There was like other, I have videos of on my channel of different masks I tried. I have a whole playlist. But the big size Freeman masks I've had in the past, yeah, I've neglected them a lot, forgotten about them, and to the point they're not even like usable to put on my face. So I'm just like, I need another Freeman mask, but I also need to not do that because they go to waste. But I know things to do to get my skin in order. I just haven't been doing that. But this breakout, I never had this like breakout on my face before with acne, and I'm just like, okay, is this something I'm eating? Maybe I'm having too much like oil type foods. Because I know sometimes it's what you're eating too that could make you break out. And a lot of times it can be something you're allergic to, but I am not sure. Oh my god, I was supposed to put red. See, I'm too busy yapping. It's supposed to be red first. Okay, hold on. Okay, I had to put concealer on top of it because I didn't even realize that I was doing that. It probably was like, girl, what are you doing? It's not yellow after the black, it's red. Is this like a red or is this like a pink? Because now I'm scared. What is this red? Y'all probably like, girl, putting the colors out of order. And I was. Okay, that's red for sure. But I'm trying to get it to blend with the black a little bit on the top. But yeah, one thing about me, y'all, when it came to skincare products, when I started getting into skincare products, I know you're not supposed to do this, but I would experiment with my face a lot, try out different skincare products, and then something ended up working for me. And yeah, I used to have like a lot of acne as a teenager, a lot, and eventually something worked. I've even had this company that sent me skincare stuff too. I miss that company. That company doesn't exist anymore, unfortunately. But with that company, y'all, you can choose the ingredients you want in your product, and it tells you what each thing's good for on the site. And it was called Mix and Easy. That's the name of the company. They would make it for you, and the product smelled so good. I miss that company. That company was pretty good. I don't know what happened to them, but I used their products and it went well with me. I really overdid it with the red, because you can barely even see the yellow. Probably gonna have to go back with the concealer to clean that up a little bit with the red. But this is how that's looking right now. I don't know, I might put some gold on top of the yellow to make it stand out a little bit more, but I'm gonna have to do this side off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys. Oh, so hang on, got you properly, but anyways, yeah, I did put some of that gold shimmer on top of the yellow to make it stand out a little bit more, because I feel like the yellow wasn't really just trying to grab the brush and then things went to fall. But as I was saying, I felt like the yellow wasn't really showing up how I wanted to. I feel like the palette that I have that have a very good yellow is my Glam Matte Paint palette, but where I have that stored, a lot of times I don't like to take it out. Actually, wait. Where I'm thinking I have it stored, I don't even have it stored there anymore. I put it somewhere else, and but overall, I think it's not too bad at all. It's alright. Oh my god, why are people playing music right now? Like, come on, I'm not trying to get copyrighted right now. Alright, so mascara is my Too Faced mascara as per usual. One of my favorite mascaras. If I'm not using this, then I'm using the L'Oreal. It's a L'Oreal one that I use too. I haven't used in a minute. So either that, the L'Oreal, or the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara. I like a lot. So I want to try that MAC one. There's a MAC one that went viral on TikTok, and I know not necessarily just because the item is viral doesn't mean it's good, because some influencers have been called out for that. But I'm curious about it. Okay. And then for lips, I'm going with my NYX Lingerie XXL in the shade Naughty Noir. I feel like black lipstick would be too much for this, but let's see. Yeah, let me know. Y'all think the black lipstick with this is too much, or is good with it? Like, I didn't even have to dip back into here. Literally with that one swipe, that's how much product that it gets, which I love that. Blush. I'm gonna use my Ghost Face blush from Lamplight. This is the shade. I'm gonna go lightly with this because it is pigmented. This is not really a great brush to blend this out, I realize. This is the Strawberry Shortcake blush from Shein, and it's not really that great of a brush to use for blush, especially. I feel like you have to work extra with this brush. Okay. And I'm gonna use the highlighter as well. So this is how the highlighter looks like. I don't know if you can tell the. There we go. You can see it there. So I'm gonna go on the bottom one. Yeah, I know the deal with Glamlight highlighters. They're super pigmented. So that's why I'm not gonna put too much on my face. Okay. I think I am done. Quick, easy look. I don't like how the black is looking over here. See, this is what every time I do these looks, yeah, one eye always looks so good and the other eye just looks eh. Like, I feel like this side looks nice, and I was worried about this side because I always struggle with this side. But, like, what? I don't know. I think I just might have put way more black shadow on this. But yeah, so this is the final look. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to, you know, leave what y'all want to see next. Definitely, like I said, check out the playlist first before suggesting, because I don't want y'all suggesting something I already done. Hopefully this video could get out before May, because when May comes, y'all, it's like Haitian Heritage Month. I'm gonna be posting a lot of Haitian content. Well, not too much. I'll probably post more Haitian content on my TikTok more than my YouTube, but yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my last videos like I told you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.